What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. About to head back on the road to LA shortly. Just got a couple stores to go ahead and check out. They have some pretty cool shops over there by the actual stadium, so we're gonna be going back by the stadium really quick, check out them stores, and then get back on the road. So let's go and see how this is. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe as always. You feel me? Where are we at right now, Marcus? Folsom Outlet. About to go by this other quick Nike Factory. Really quick, kind of an in and out situation. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully we find something dope here too as well. We just gonna see what's going on here. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, of course, as always. It's a lot of people here. Last one had some shoes that were still at regular price. Let's see what they got up in here. They got jerseys up in this one too. I wonder how much of a discount really it is. I know I got here later, so wait, what? Hold up. Is this an outlet or what? How do they have the pony hairs at the outlet mall, bro? They got BHMs here as well. Oh, it says actually only available online, and Chinese New Year's here. That's crazy. So do they have any other Kyrie 5s here? We're gonna start over here with these Jordans. How many of you guys like this model, bro? This is like the budget model of the Jordan. Got some Westbrooks. Haven't seen this color. Yes, I have seen this colorway. Chlorophylls are this one as well. They got some Dennis Rodmans in the kind of the original colorway. A good size run of them also. Pretty dope. What else they got over here? They got the Pippins here. Oh, excuse me.
Are you good?
$64, bro. Pretty dope shoe. I think these had retail for like $120 or something like that when they first dropped. $155 suggested retail. Got them for $64. Great size run of them as well, bro. That's pretty dope. So far, so good. 4 shoes I've seen, that's pretty dope already. They got ADs, the AD in the black and white colorway. I'm like, this is crazy. They got some PGs here, the same colorway we've seen at the last mall. $89 here. I think that was the same price before. Some LeBron Soldiers. Not too bad either. Got them in a few different colorways. Not sure what the price is on these because there's no extra price here, but there is one for here.
This is so wrong right now.
Why?
Wait till you go in the next aisle.
Crazy. Listen, what you guys think about these Eddie Joneses right here? Pretty fire. They are $99 as opposed to $125. Not bad at all. Cop pass, fire, or trash. Okay, we definitely have seen these in Foot Locker. I definitely thought these would be outlet bound. They were $115, now they are $49. They got a good size run of them. If you guys are some Air Force Ones head, I know we got a lot of people out there who like Air Force Ones. This is not a bad pair at all. Yeah. Air Max TNs for $99 as opposed to $160. Got like this kind of crazy material on here. These 270s, which we've seen plenty of times in the actual store. They got them here for $99. Full size run also. They got this new model of Huaraches in this camel colorway. $69 as opposed to $145. Cop pass, fire, or trash. And you got some other Huaraches right here too. What? Come here with that. Whoa, boom right here. Let's see what's going on right here.
Even at 20 off, this is still.
Yeah. They got the tattoo 4s. A lot of people were kind of liking these. There was mixed conception on these. These are actually my size right here, but I'm actually good on them because they still got them for like retail or something like that. But these are pretty dope. First time actually seeing these in person. And for them to be at an outlet, that's crazy. What's the price of these?
$225.
$225 still?
Yeah. I doubt it.
No. From a distance, I see these already, which we did do a review on these. It says $175 still. That's retail. No. I have not. We definitely did a review on these before. What do you guys think about these 33s? They got them here at the outlet for $175 with an extra 20% off. I feel like that should be a different price though because they retail at $175. Yeah, that's crazy. That should be lowered because it's 175, but that's what they retail
it's 20
for.
off, but if it's 20 off that, it's still like what?
Right. Okay, is this an outlet store or a retail store? Because didn't these just come out? Didn't these just drop and they're already at the outlets, bro? And is this 3M on there or not? Let me get the light on it. Yes, indeed, it is 3M. What the hell? If they have them already, though. Let me know what you guys think about these. Who likes these or not? Let me know in the comment section below. Cop pass, fire, or trash. What? Whoa, wait, hold up. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Hold up. They got rockets at the outlet. They got the rockets with the extra laces here at the outlet mall. That's crazy. What? We're just gonna walk around with these for a second in hand. That's crazy, bro. You gotta get here early and often with this place. They got a lot of stuff. Like, they got the Pantone. That's crazy. I'm surprised they got these things here. Like, what? Yeah, so these ended up being a return. 12 and a half is a crazy low price. So we're gonna see what's up right now. They got these bad boys here too, bro. PG 2.5. We definitely did a review on these. These aren't bad. This is like a size 12 and a half also. I think the price point on this is like $98, something like that. That's crazy. They got two elite sneakers here, bro. No problem. This way? Excuse me. Crazy. These are the three hitters that we've seen so far, bro. We just got here and seen three shoes that are pretty dope. Pretty dope. Let me know what you guys think, bro. This one's a lot better than what we've seen out there, but sheesh. But as you guys can see, they got a lot of stuff here. If you guys get an opportunity, man, check out your local Nike factory. There's a lot of them. It's only available online, but it's my first time actually seeing them up close. This is one for the girls, bro, in the outlet store. This one's pretty fire. I wonder if anybody returned these bad boys. These ones for women. Haven't seen them in person. Did see some pictures of them. What is good with those? We've definitely seen these before. These aren't bad for the ladies. They're hooking the ladies up with the shoes, bro. Oh, sorry. These 95s are not too bad either. Cop pass, fire, or trash. You know what I'm saying? Can't say I've seen this colorway of the 80s. They got them in a few sizes. What do you guys think about this in the comment section below? Definitely haven't seen this colorway. Is this even out yet? I mean, it has to be if it's here, but I've never seen it. This is my first time actually seeing this Kobe. They've had some dope ass shoes here today, bro. I'm not mad. Oh, we've seen these in a different colorway before. ADs. Oh, wow. These just came out. The Black History Month Converse. Let me know what you guys think about those in the comment section below also. They got some Air Max 97s. Okay, not too bad. What size is this? Size 10. You guys are out here. They got KD 11s in the black colorway. This is a newer one. You take additional 20% off the price tag. It's going for $150. So that's the thing. A lot of these shoes they have here are on sale, but they're for one size 10 out the outlets. $180 retail. That's the retail price on them, but you take an additional 20% off. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comment section. This is actually a fire pair of the 98s. I think I called these 97s, but these are the 98s. My bad if I said that. I'm just looking and doing a lot of things at one time. Fire though. They even got jerseys in here. I guess 30% off the additional price. So 30% off of 110. Okay. Okay. KD and LeBron jersey. And they got the Mamba here. They got Sacramento game shorts. I'm a game short collector. Oh, these got pockets, so these are not game shorts actually. Oh, they're 80. They're dope though. 30% off. 30% off of 80. I don't know, that might be something to pull the trigger on, but I'm good right now. They got these Westbrooks in the fire red in stock. It's a $115 retail here. So that's $5 off the original retail price plus the additional 20% off. Pretty dope, bro. As you can see behind me, there's a lot of people, so it's pretty crowded. I don't have a lot of room, so hopefully you guys can bear with me. But let me know what you guys think about the stuff in the comment section below, of course. Okay, so I think I'm about to wrap it up now for sure. We're about to walk out of here. He's actually copping something. I'm not. I'm just chilling out. But it was a great time here. If you see anything you guys like I said before, comment down below. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. About to get out of here and actually hit the road, go back to LA now. Looking forward to it. My boy right here checking out right now. I think he got like 2 shirts. Didn't look too bad. I couldn't believe they had them Kobe's. I couldn't believe they had the All-Star Kyrie's there. They had them 4s. A lot of people, a lot of fire in that one, man. This here at Sacramento. I've never been here before, obviously. It's always dope to come to a place and see some fire like that. If you are in the Sacramento area, I recommend you get yourself here because you might find some heat, bro. They had them PG 2.5s. They had them damn Kyrie All-Star, the ROKIT, bro. That's crazy. Only thing is they didn't have the lids to the box, but it's not even about the box. It's about the shoes, bro, for real. This right here is just pretty much a recap of some of the things I saw with my last 3 recent trips to the outlets, bruh. This is a video to let you know some of the things you guys can see and find in the outlets. I'm starting to feel like I need to recommend that you guys go to the outlets first before you guys go buy a shoe, unless it's something really hype or something that you really want. But if you're just going, you got a couple dollars, you want to go buy some shoes, if you have an opportunity, bruh, hit up one of them stores, Nike outlet, Adidas outlet, Marshalls, something like that. You might find something you want. You can get 2 or 3 pairs of shoes for the price of 1 at a regular retail store. Now, don't get me wrong. Of course, Foot Locker, Champs, Shoe Palace, Foot Action, Dick's Sporting Goods, all them places are great places to go, get shoes from, build reward points, everything like that. But these outlets, bro, the shoes that I'm showing you guys in this video, that you guys will see throughout the video, are just fire. You got these 33s that are just killing it. Let me know what you guys think about each shoe in here. Out of all the shoes in the video, what do you guys feel like is the best pickups to have at an outlet? There's plenty of shoes going around in this video, so I want to know your comments on anything. Like these right here, I'm kind of iffy on those. I'm kind of passing myself, but I was just surprised to see them because they were pretty much released like a week ago or something like that, a week or 2 ago. And I was really surprised to see these in there. Who'd have thought we'd seen some ROKITs? And yes, of course they do. People do bring in returns, and that's how the outlet gets them. But they're at the outlet, and you get them for cheaper than you can at the store. Now, that might have been retail, but you still can get that 20% off at the Nike Factory outlet, as opposed to a Foot Locker who would say it's quick strike and you can't do it. You feel me? But without further ado, man, let's get into the rest of this video. As you guys can see, I just want to know your thoughts and opinions on everything here. This is the wrap up of my last 3 recent trips to the outlets. I will be bringing this type of video more as I do more outlet videos. You guys will get those individual outlet videos. Then you guys will get a highlight video like this. So we can just discuss and go over the different things there. The PG 2.5s being in there, not a big surprise, but this one, this particular colorway, yeah, I didn't think that would be in there, at least not now. You know what I'm saying? But with so many shoes being released on certain days, you might have 6 shoes from different brands all across the board dropping it in the same week. A lot of shoes will definitely fall under the radar, hence why you can go to the outlets and find it for the low, man. Trying to bring different content, trying to bring a lot of content. I'm uploading daily. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe with the notification bell on just to be updated on every single thing I'm dropping. If you want to be part of the team and the family, you know, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like I said, I upload pretty much every day, 9 p.m. West Coast time, which is midnight on the East Coast. Start your day off with a Bossco Mitchell video. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate all the love and support. Just can't say enough, man, how you guys come out and rock with your boy, man. I really appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? I do these videos, for one, because I love sneakers, but I love to share the information and help other people out. A lot of times at the outlets, sometimes at Marshalls, Ross, TJ Maxx. You know me, man, I continue to bring the content to be my receipt, to be my proof that you can still find good things there as well as the stores, you know what I mean? What's the next cop for you? Just, man, if you guys can remember, let us know where you're from, you know what I'm saying? Drop your area code or or your city or your state or your country. You know, we like to know where everybody's from. I love interacting with people from all over the world. That's why, you know, YouTube's such a great platform, and that's why I like doing live streams. I like talking to you guys live and in person. You guys can ask questions and we can just talk about normal things, you know what I'm saying? A great way to get away from things that might be going on in your real life. That's why I try to keep it positivity and I don't bring none of the negative stuff here, because of course we all go through things every day. There's something else that comes up. It's about how you bounce back, and it's about what you put on to other people. You know, what type of energy you want to put on to other people, energy back from it, you feel me? So that's just one thing I can say. I'm not perfect, none of us are, but just try to make the best out of what you can. And then these right here, bro, we getting back to these shoes. As you see, these rookies, or the Stars Born Jordan 1s are fire. And in East LA, bro, they had a full-size run of those things. It's just crazy to see these shoes still on shelves. I can't even talk right now. I'm so excited, bro. I just wanted to chop it up with you guys. I'm going on like 6 minutes here. We're gonna go ahead and let the video continue to play. But just hit me up in the comment section, bro. Don't forget to leave me, you know, comments and let me know where you guys are from. If you are new, once again, subscribe with notification bell. Let's check out the rest of these shoes, you dig?